The Essence of Sufi Learning, Philosophy, Psychology, and Self-Development in the Sufi Tradition. Book by Bhushan Kulkarni. Sufism has long been shrouded in mystery, often misunderstood as a mystical offshoot of Islam or a collection of poetic expressions from figures like Rumi and Hafiz. However, at its core, Sufism is a profound system of thought, a practical science of self-awareness and transformation that transcends religious boundaries. This book aims to delve deep into the essence of Sufi philosophy, psychology, self-development, and teaching methods, drawing insights from the works of Idris Shah, one of the most influential modern interpreters of Sufism. Idris Shah introduced Sufi thought to the Western world, emphasizing that Sufism is not merely a set of rituals or esoteric doctrines but a dynamic and adaptable system of learning. In his works, The Sufis and Learning How to Learn, Shah revealed the underlying structures of Sufi teaching, demonstrating how its methods can help individuals break free from self-deception, enhance perception, and attain a higher state of consciousness. His teachings highlight the importance of attention, the pitfalls of imitation, and the necessity of direct experience over theoretical knowledge. This book is an attempt to distill the essential wisdom found in Shah's works while providing a structured exploration of Sufism's historical roots, its influence on psychology, and its practical applications in today's world. Through an examination of Sufi teaching methods, such as storytelling, paradox, humor, and experiential learning, we will uncover how these techniques facilitate deeper understanding and transformation. Unlike conventional learning, Sufism does not operate within rigid frameworks or standardized curricula. It requires the right conditions, a prepared mind, and a willingness to question deeply held assumptions. The Sufi path is not about accumulating knowledge but about unlearning falsehoods and developing new ways of perceiving reality. This book aims to serve as a guide for those who wish to explore this transformative path and apply its wisdom to their own lives. By integrating history, philosophy, psychology, and self-development practices, this work seeks to bridge the gap between ancient Sufi teachings and contemporary understanding. Whether you are a student of spirituality, a seeker of wisdom, or simply curious about the deeper dimensions of human potential, this book invites you on a journey, one that does not promise easy answers but instead offers new ways of seeing, being, and learning. Let us begin the journey into the essence of Sufi learning. Link in description.